Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check for blockages in a Dyson stick vacuum. If your vacuum has stopped picking up or it is pulsating, then it is likely that it has a blockage. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. There are a few different areas that can block, causing the vacuum to stop working. I'm going to take you through them and find a solution to each one. Let's start with the most common reason. When is the last time you emptied the bin? It has a maximum level indicator on the bin here, so if you go over it, it blocks the cyclone and it stops it from working. To empty the bin, simply press the red catch down here to open. Make sure you do this over your own bin in case of a mess, then close it and try again. The next thing we are going to check is the filter. It needs to be checked and washed once a month. It may require more frequent washing if vacuuming fine dust or if used mainly in powerful suction mode. The filter is located in the top of the cyclone here. To remove, place your fingers onto the filter and then pull upwards. I'm just going to check the filter for any signs of damage to the cloth, as this will stop the filter from collecting properly and will need to be replaced. To clean the filter, run it under the cold tap until the water runs clean. Then wring it out as much as you can and leave to drain in a warm environment for 24 hours until completely dry. Do not put the filter in a washing machine or dishwasher to clean it, as it could damage it. And when drying it, do not use the oven, a microwave, tumble dryer or a naked flame. To replace, simply push the filter back into the top of the cyclone. When I switch on the vacuum, we can see the brush bar pulsing every few seconds, which indicates there is a blockage somewhere. I'm going to disconnect the motor head and check the neck of the motor head. As you can see, there's something inside causing a blockage. So I'm just going to use my fingers to remove. I can then reconnect the motor head and give it a try. There we have it, working fine. If it's still not working, the next area to check is the wand. Disconnect from both ends. And look, it's that pesky cloth again. And just ensure that there are no further blockages and that you can see all the way through the wand. Then reconnect the wand and try again. Another area that can get blocked is the bin inlet here. So remove the wand, and would you believe, it's that pesky rag yet again. With the blockage removed, replace the wand and try once again. The last thing to check is the brush bar for blockages. I can see there is something trapped around the brush bar, stopping it from turning. This could be debris, string, or particularly hair. To get the brush bar out, I first need to remove the motor head. To remove the brush bar, simply follow the directions on the symbols here. Now, to remove the cap, you can use a flat-headed screwdriver, but I'm going to use a coin. So turn and then keep turning to make it pop up, and then simply remove it. Easy to get the brush bar out. Just lift up and then pull all the way out. You can then remove any debris that's causing the blockage. To refit, push it all the way inside the motor head and then replace the cap. Refit the motor head and test. Working fine. So there we have it, how to check for blockages in a Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.